Hi, good morning friends. This is Jay Rajashekar. In this video, I am going to explain what is aptitude and what are the different topics in the quantitative aptitude. So before going to explain, my dear friends, stay home and stay safe. Now the situation is horrible. So therefore, if any emergency work is there, so go and complete the task and reach safely. Okay. So coming to the aptitude, it's a natural ability or the natural talent of the particular person. So, the main motive of conducting aptitude is to test the natural ability of the student or the job aspirants to solve the practical problems or the problems in the organization or the industry or in the society. That's why this is very important to conduct the aptitude test, but their main motive is to test the natural ability, natural talent or the natural ability to solve the problems, but not the mathematical skills. Okay, so but the most of the members are thinking that aptitude test in the sense to test the mathematical skills. That is absolutely wrong. So therefore, most of the industries like central government, public sector, state government, private sectors, and uh, software jobs, not only software jobs, if you see namely UPSC, IBPS and some other GATE, CAT, in all these exams the aptitude is one of the main examination. Therefore it's a very important to learn or to know what exactly aptitude and what are the topics are there. Therefore, once again I am saying that it's simply a natural talent of the particular person, but not the other mathematical skills or analytical skills. So the main motto is to test the natural talent of the person to solve the problems. Yeah. Next, coming to the quantitative aptitude. So here I am going to explain only the what are the topics are there, because aptitude contains quantitative aptitude is there, verbal non-verbal aptitude is also there. So the main concentration is on the quantitative aptitude, because the more scoring from the quantitative aptitude only. Therefore I mainly divided the entire syllabus or the topics into 6 modules. So coming to the first module, the number system, the second module is the arithmetic, and the third module is the algebra, and the fourth module is the geometry and mensuration, fifth module is the permutations and the combinations, probability and set theory. Next, last module is data interpretation, data sufficiency and the simplifications. These are 6 modules. Now coming to each module, what are the topics are there in each module? Coming to the first module, that is number system. So again, the number system is having 8 topics in that. The first one is types of numbers. You know, numbers, what are the different types of numbers are there, and but now in softwares we are using binary system, and from 0 to 9 in the sense you already know that is Hindu Arabic system. Based on the Hindu Arabic systems, the number system came into the picture. You learn already in your lower class also. So in the number system I'll explain all these things. Only now I am only explaining the types of numbers only. The next one, HCF and LCM, and the next one divisibility test, the number of zeros in the expression, remainder theorem, so base system, number of factors, and the binomial theorems. You already studied in your lower classes, that may be secondary school or in intermediate. But so once again I am recalling all these topics. These are very important, but there you learn in a mathematical way, because mathematical in the sense you have to solve step by step all these things. But here aptitude, there is no time. It's a fraction of seconds or fraction of minutes you have to solve the problem, so you have to give the answer. So that's why, so some tricky and shortcuts are there, so I will explain all those. Okay, so here this is the first module. Next, coming to the next one, that is second module, arithmetic. In arithmetic, the nearly 9 topics are there. The first one is averages, second one mixtures and delegations, third one is percentages, fourth one is profit and loss, fifth one is interest, sixth one is ratio and proportions, the next one time and work, next time, speed and distance is the eighth topic, and the last topic is the simply clock and races, that is clocks and races. These are 9 topics are very important. That means arithmetic is very important in any exam. All these 9 topics are very important, so you have to learn all these. So So this is the second module. Next, coming to the third module. So in the third module, that is algebra, is divided into four topics. One is the functions, second one inequalities, and the third one is quadratic equations, and the fourth one is simply logarithmics. So these are also you already known: quadratic equations, logarithms, inequalities, functions you already studied in your secondary class as well as the intermediate. Okay, but once again I am recalling. But again, yeah, these are also somewhat important, but arithmetic is very important. Arithmetic, whatever the 9 topics are there, those are very important. Next, coming to the next one. So in the fourth module, that is geometry and mensuration, you already know the first topic, lines and angles. The second one is triangles and polygons. The third one is circles. Fourth one is solid figures. Fifth one is coordinate geometry, and the last one is trigonometry. All these comes under simply the geometry and mensuration. Okay, these are 6 topics are there. The next one, that is fifth one, is permutations and combinations. That is the first topic. Second one is probability. Third one is set theory. These are the fifth module. These are comes under fifth module. Next, coming to the last module, that is sixth module. So the sixth module, again the first one data interpretation, the second one is data sufficiency, the third one is simplifications. These are the total topics in the quantitative aptitude. In this, the main important modules are, okay, now you know the different modules. The important modules in this are, so the first one is arithmetic is very important. The next one, geometry and mensuration. Next, permutations and combinations, and probability, data interpretation, and data sufficiency. These are very important for a aptitude student. So one is arithmetic. You have to learn all the 9 topics. Geometry and mensuration, you have to learn all the 6 topics. And coming to the fifth module, permutations and the combinations and the probability are very important. And the last one, data interpretation and data sufficiency. These are the different topics. Okay, in the next video regarding the quantitative aptitude, I'll give a simple example. What is the main difference between the mathematics and the aptitude? As maybe 1 or 2 examples I will give you. So the main difference between mathematical solutions and the aptitude solutions, because mathematics require lot of steps and all, but coming to the aptitude, it doesn't require any steps, because without using pen and paper you can solve the problems. Therefore, okay, we'll meet in the next video the main difference between the mathematics, mathematical solutions, and the aptitude. Okay, thank you friend. Okay, Jai Hind.